Hello everyone. If you're working on Google Web Stories, then this is the right video for you. And today I'm going to share you important tips and tricks on how you can rank your Google Web Stories, which you won't find in the internet easily. I'll be sharing you the most important bits about Google Web Stories and how you can rank it faster and earn money online. If you are not aware of what Google Stories is, then do comment on this channel and I will create a dedicated video around how you can create your Google Web Stories and how you can earning money from Google Web Stories. So let's get started. If you don't know me, I'm Gagan Agarwal. I have been doing blogging for past 10 years and I'm creating this YouTube channel now to share the information I have learned from all those work that I have done in the past time. Okay, let's jump onto the screen. Okay, so tip number 1 is domain name. So people might say you have to buy a domain name, you start your web stories, you can start getting it ranked. It doesn't work like that. If you see on the screen, if you go with the expired domain.nets, this is where you have to go and buy the domain. By this I mean you have to buy an expired domain. If you buy a fresh domain, it will be difficult to get it ranked quickly and it is better to go with an expired domain name. So expired domain name can be bought using expireddomains.net or you can go to spamzilla.io. Spamzilla.io is a paid version. However, here you will see a lot of bits being populated easily. If you don't know how to find a good expired domain, then do comment and do like the video and I will make a dedicated video around how you should search an expired domain. Expired domain is a bit tricky, so I won't say to go and buy any expired domain. You have to research it. You need to know how to find a good expired domain. Tip number 2 is create your ecosystem. By ecosystem, what I mean is you need to have a lot of presence in the social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, everywhere. So you need to create the content in each platform, and what you can do is in your web stories you can add some codes like WhatsApp and Telegram code, which is present in our website Tech with Pawan. You can copy it and you can paste it. So what it will do is it will start creating an ecosystem where people can join. So you see this floating button, join our WhatsApp group. Like this, you can encourage people to join your groups, which will help in pushing the data and creating that ecosystem, which will help in pushing the content to the Google search rankings for web stories. So this is very important. You need to follow it. And if you again don't know how to put the code, then do comment and do like the video and I will make dedicated video around this tip as well. Tip number 3 is you need to work on latest topic. How you can find the latest topic? One way is to use Google Trends. I have already made a detailed course around Google Trends, which you can see in the I button over here. And the second trick is you need to use the Bing. How to use the Bing? Go to Microsoft Edge. You will see lot of top stories coming over here. Just use those stories, create a web story, start publishing it. Don't think much about it. You need to basically start with whatever topic you find over here or in Google Trends. Try to make it a bit quicker and that is what will make you successful. Tip number 4 is start with a multi-niche website or Google Web Stories. So you should not target any niche initially for Google Web Stories. Create all the web stories you can think of using Google Trends and Bing search engine. Otherwise, as you don't know which niche will trigger your Google Web Stories. So that is where you need to target all the niches. Once you find the perfect niche which has been triggered, then start following that niche. So after that, you have to stop other topics as it won't rank that easily. You should go with that niche which has ranked. So this is tip number 4. Tip number 5 is start creating around 5 to 10 web stories daily. Now people do comment saying that okay, we have copy pasted the web stories and it is not ranking. Now you need to make sure whatever niche you have selected, if that is one niche and it is not ranking, then it won't work. You have to go with other niche. So it is better to try to do it niche by niche as well and think around it, and you have to follow the process, and if it doesn't work you have to again repeat the process. So that is the only way to get successful. And the last and the most important tip is backlinks. If you are trying to use an expired domain with a good backlink strategy, then you don't have to worry about it. However, if you're starting with a fresh domain and you are still trying to think around how to rank your Google Web Stories, then you can start building your backlinks. If you don't know what is backlink and how to create it, I will create a dedicated video around backlinks as well. Whatever doubts you have, you can post it in the comment section and I will try to respond to it. And I hope these tips will help you in increasing your Google Web Stories ranking, as it is one of the greatest medium to generate online income currently. If you don't know, I hope these tips and tricks will be helpful to you all, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.